All right, we've made our way on over to the Better Kitchen right now, where our friend Dana White is standing by, waiting for us.
She has a new book out this month that's all about smoothies. It's called Healthy, Quick, and Easy Smoothies. 100 no-fuss recipes under 300 calories you can make with 5 ingredients, or sometimes less, right?
Or less. That's right.
I want to let you know, I know we're a month out from Christmas, just about a month, a little over a month, and we're closer to New Year's Eve. I'm making a New Year's resolution never to drink green. Anything green.
But you're missing out on so much delicious stuff.
I know you're
yummy green not drinks, excited
right?
about this.
That can keep you healthy. But you've got a sweet one for him, too.
Yes, so with 100 recipes, there's definitely something in here for you, Scott, I promise.
I love this book.
There is a chapter on green smoothies altogether, like a full chapter. So I kind of combined all different things. There's combo smoothies that have like fruits and vegetables in them. There's some boosters that we're going to talk about. There's a berry chapter. There's a tropical fruit chapter.
Yum.
And then there's a green smoothie chapter. And like you said, like 5 ingredients or less, really fast and easy.
So you're going to show us how to make some. And the thing is this is such a great vehicle when people say, I don't have time to have breakfast, or I don't have time.
Right.
You can make a big one, give it to the whole family, and we can get it down. And you don't need a juicer. We're just talking a blender. If you have a blender, you can do this.
That's all you need is a blender. And so this one I actually made ahead.
Okay.
So this is a kale lemonade.
Okay.
Very, very simple. It's not sweet. Okay, so you're not gonna like it if you don't like sweet, but it's very refreshing, super low calories. Yeah, it's a good like rejuvenation in the morning. Okay.
Give it a try.
Give it
very
lemony, but you can adjust. There's a little bit of honey in there. You can adjust it to your liking.
That's not as bad as I thought it was.
Okay, good. See, that's all I needed to hear. That's all I needed to hear.
If we're trying to get more vegetables and stay healthy, a good way is just blend them up.
Exactly.
Drink them quickly.
And so there's other smoothies where you just add a little bit of spinach along with bananas and other things.
This doesn't taste green.
See?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that as a compliment.
And it was easy. Before we move on, this was just kale, 2 lemons.
And it was lemon juice, ice, honey, and some water, and that's it.
That's it.
And you just blend it up in a nice blender. And I think the color is beautiful, but super, super simple, so good for you, lots of nutrients.
Good for Christmas.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay. So, moving on to this idea of boosters. Okay, so all the recipes have 5 ingredients or less, and many of them feature these ingredients, but it's ways to add different types of nutrients to your smoothies. Okay. So there's a whole chart in the book, but let's say you want to add more fiber, like here's some oats, right? Unsweetened coconut, hemp seeds, freeze-dried fruit. You'll see a lot of that in the book. Really simple, easy way. It adds beautiful color, and it's not going to add like the chewy fruit that can get stuck in your blender. So this is just other ways to add color and flavor and nutrients to your smoothie in a whole bunch of different ways. Like if you need more electrolytes for a post-workout smoothie, this is some sea salt.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and again, you'll see elements of this throughout the book, but these are also things if you're like, I need more probiotics, or I need a little caffeine boost. You know, maybe
protein. People want protein.
Exactly. So there's some protein powder recommendations. You could also soak some cashews in water overnight, and then they blend up beautifully.
Oh, that's a good
So
idea.
for like dairy-free smoothies, that's actually a nice idea too.
Okay.
So there's tons of different things you could do. Steep tea. There's a lot of liquid. The recipes to use like a low-calorie liquid. Yeah. I use green tea or a black tea instead of water because it has more flavor, but I'm just adding antioxidants and no additional calories.
All right.
All right. So the other thing I wanted to do with the recipes in the book is to upgrade some of their favorites. So like fast food smoothies sometimes can have tons of calories, tons of sugar, and not a lot of protein. Yeah. And you want your smoothies to be satisfying, right? If you're gonna have it for breakfast or something like that. So this is a strawberry banana smoothie, right? Yum. That we all love. Yum. But it's upgraded. So those usually have 200 calories, 300 or 400 calories in them. This has less than, it's about 168 calories per serving and 10 grams of protein.
Oh, that's wonderful.
All right, so you wanna help me make it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so first we're gonna do some skim milk. Trick is you want to add the liquid first.
Okay.
Because that way your blender doesn't get, I don't want to splash you, Scott.
Yeah,
but that way your blender doesn't get caught. It
Yeah.
doesn't get clogged up. So here, do you want to add a little bit of this? This is just Greek yogurt, strawberry Greek yogurt. All right, and lots more protein. Oh, is it splashing you?
We knew that was going to happen. No. Sorry, don't worry about it.
Now, the Greek yogurt is going to have more protein, so that's why you want to get it. But you're still sweetening the fruit, so if you're trying to give this to your kids, they're probably not going to notice. They're just going to get a little more.
Exactly. So they're getting more protein, and they're not going to miss out on it. All right. So now we're going to add frozen bananas and frozen strawberries, and you can really use.
Already chopped and ready in the freezer.
Exactly. Okay. So you freeze these ahead of time. It's a great way to not waste frozen bananas. Too, so then that way if like the bananas are going brown and you don't want to throw them away.
That's it?
Yep, that's it. Okay, so we're going to make sure our cap is on there nice and tight. And then I'm just going to be a little bit loud. So you can always add more liquid. You can't take it out once it's in there. So you want to start with...
Final 30 seconds. that
Make
was
sure
quick.
it's nice and blended.
Yeah. And that's it. And then this is your, you can always add a little bit more water, or a little bit more anything if you need it.
And it's nice and thick.
I love it.
Here, this one's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All
This
right.
one's for you.
Again, the cookbook is called Healthy, Quick, and Easy Smoothies. It's available at your favorite bookseller and on Dana's website. Tara, we got a deal going on, too.
Yeah, and in fact, if you go to DanaWhiteNutrition.com, Dana is offering you a Black Friday deal.
Oh, this is wonderful.
You can get 20% off signed cookbooks, great for you, and a gift, by using the code BETTER. So check that out. I love that they're all easy and inexpensive, too. There's not a lot of ingredients.
And
Yep,
delicious.
very simple.